Investing in cryptocurrencies always carries risks, and it's essential to approach it with caution. The crypto market can be volatile, and there are no guarantees of profits. However, if you're interested in exploring ways to potentially make money with low initial costs in the cryptocurrency space, here are some options to consider. Buy and hold. Choose a reputable and well-established cryptocurrency with a promising future. Invest a small amount that you can afford to lose. Hold the investment for the long term and wait for potential value appreciation. Dividend-paying cryptocurrencies. Some cryptocurrencies offer staking or dividend programs that allow you to earn additional tokens by holding them in a specific wallet. Research and choose cryptocurrencies with these features to earn passive income. Freelancing in cryptocurrency. Offer your skills and services on platforms that pay in cryptocurrency. Freelance jobs in writing, programming, graphic design, and more can often be paid in various cryptocurrencies. Airdrops and forks. Participate in airdrops or token forks where new cryptocurrencies are distributed for free to existing holders. Keep an eye on social media and community forums for announcements. Microtask platforms. Explore platforms that pay in cryptocurrency for completing small tasks or micro-jobs. Examples include earning crypto for participating in surveys or testing websites. Crypto faucets. While the rewards are usually very small, crypto faucets provide a way to earn free cryptocurrencies by completing simple tasks. Crypto mining. Some cryptocurrencies can still be mined with consumer-grade hardware. Research and find cryptocurrencies that are mineable without high-end equipment. Peer-to-peer trading. Engage in peer-to-peer trading on platforms that allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly. Be cautious and use reputable platforms with a secure escrow service. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is dynamic, and prices can be highly unpredictable. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, stay informed about market trends, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, be cautious of potential scams and fraudulent schemes in the crypto space. Always prioritize security and use reputable platforms for any transactions. Buy and hold is a long-term investment strategy where an investor purchases an asset, such as stocks or cryptocurrencies, with the intention of holding it for an extended period, typically years. The goal is to benefit from the potential appreciation in value over time. When applying the buy and hold strategy to cryptocurrencies, here are some key considerations. Research and due diligence. Conduct thorough research on the cryptocurrency you plan to invest in. Understand its technology, use case, development team, and community support. Consider factors such as market trends, adoption, and potential for future growth. Diversification. Diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio to spread risk. Investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies can help mitigate the impact of poor performance in one asset. Risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance before investing. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, and prices may experience significant fluctuations. Long-term perspective. Adopt a long-term perspective and be prepared for market fluctuations. Short-term price movements are common, but the focus is on the overall growth potential over an extended period. Secure storage. Use secure wallets and storage solutions to protect your cryptocurrency holdings. Hardware wallets, cold storage, or reputable software wallets with strong security features are recommended. Regular monitoring. While the strategy involves holding for the long term, it's essential to monitor the market and stay informed about developments related to your investments. Adapt to changes. Be flexible and adapt your strategy as market conditions change. Stay informed about any significant developments in the cryptocurrency space that may impact your investments. Avoid emotional decision-making. Emotional decision-making can lead to impulsive actions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your long-term investment plan and avoid making decisions based on fear or greed. Remember that the cryptocurrency market is dynamic, and there are inherent risks involved. While the buy and hold strategy has been successful for many investors, it's essential to stay informed, regularly reassess your portfolio, and make adjustments as needed based on your financial goals and the evolving market conditions. User. Dividend-paying cryptocurrencies. ChatGPT. Dividend-paying cryptocurrencies typically function through a process known as staking or masternodes. In these systems, holders of the cryptocurrency can earn additional tokens as a form of passive income for participating in network operations, or locking up their coins. Here's a brief overview. Staking. Some cryptocurrencies use a proof-of-stake, POS, or delegated proof-of-stake, DPoS, consensus mechanism. Investors can participate in staking by holding and staking a certain amount of the cryptocurrency in a compatible wallet. In return, they may receive additional tokens as a reward for helping to secure the network. Masternodes. Certain cryptocurrencies, like Dash or PIVX, operate on a masternode system. Masternodes require a significant amount of the cryptocurrency to be held as collateral. In exchange for providing specific services to the network, masternode operators receive a portion of the block rewards. Decentralized finance, DeFi yield farming. Some DeFi projects offer liquidity providers or token holders the opportunity to earn yields by staking their assets, or providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Returns are often generated through transaction fees or other mechanisms within the DeFi protocol. Governance tokens. Some platforms distribute governance tokens to users who participate actively in decision-making processes or contribute to the ecosystem. Holders of these governance tokens may receive rewards or dividends. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Certain cryptocurrency exchanges offer staking services for specific coins. Users can stake their coins on the exchange, and in return, they may receive a share of the staking rewards. It's crucial to conduct thorough research before investing in dividend-paying cryptocurrencies. Consider factors such as the project's credibility, the mechanics of the staking or masternode system, potential returns, and associated risks. Additionally, be aware of the technology behind the cryptocurrency and the overall market conditions. Keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is dynamic, and returns can vary. Staking and masternode investments involve locking up your funds, so liquidity may be limited during that time. Always use secure wallets and platforms, and stay informed about any changes or updates to the cryptocurrency project you're invested in. Freelancing in cryptocurrency involves offering your skills and services in exchange for payment in digital currencies. Here are some steps and considerations for freelancing in the cryptocurrency space. Identify your skills. Determine what skills you possess that can be offered as freelance services. This could include writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, social media management, and more. Create a portfolio. Develop a portfolio showcasing your previous work and highlighting your skills. This can be a website, a profile on a freelancing platform, or a document that you can share with potential clients. Choose freelance platforms. Explore freelancing platforms that support cryptocurrency payments. Some popular platforms include cryptocurrency-specific platforms. Platforms like Bitwage, CryptoGrind, or LaborX are specifically designed for freelancers accepting payments in cryptocurrency. General freelance platforms, websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr may also have clients interested in paying with cryptocurrency. Specify cryptocurrencies accepted. Clearly communicate in your profile which cryptocurrencies you accept as payment. Common options include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and others. Set competitive rates. Research the market to set competitive rates for your services. Consider the value of your skills, your experience, and the current market rates. Build a reputation. Provide high-quality work and excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Client reviews and ratings can be crucial in attracting more clients. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on market trends, new projects, and potential clients in the cryptocurrency space. This knowledge can help you tailor your services to meet current demands.